Hey guys, wanna know how to log out of your account in PUBG Mobile? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first off, make sure you have PUBG Mobile installed and you have opened it by logging in as well. Now, logging out is pretty simple. On the bottom right, you can see this small arrow icon right here. Just simply press on it. And once you've done that, just simply select settings. And once you're on the settings, on the bottom left right here, you can see logout right beside your current linked account. So just simply select logout and then select OK. So you can also log out of all devices by checking log out of all devices. So once you've done it, just simply select OK to the prompt, and there you have it. Now you are successfully logged out of PUBG Mobile. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.